Welcome to 7 LaRose Court, located in the sought-after community of Kilgore Farms. I have an amazing, just under 3,500 square foot home with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, an open floor plan, and a mother-in-law suite on the main. I can't wait for you to see this. Come on in and check it out. This kitchen is the heart of the home, and it's one of my favorite places. It's got a butler's pantry, a ton of cabinets, beautiful polished granite countertops, stainless steel appliances including a gas cooktop, a built-in oven and microwave. It is absolutely the perfect spot. You're gonna absolutely love this amazing backyard and this covered patio. And don't miss the amazing, unparalleled amenities with 2 pools, clubhouse, cabana, tennis courts, basketball court, and a playground. Thank you so much for joining us here today at 7 LaRose Court. For more information or to schedule your exclusive showing, contact Melissa Tofield at 864-525